Namaskar, I'm Dev and we are Team Spirito, a corporate training team. And today we would talk about POSH. This is prevention of sexual harassment. We also know it as anti-sexual harassment law or even ICCW in some organizations. Mostly we think that we all know about what it is and how it is and how it is dealt with and what are the ramifications of it. But then अनफॉर्चुनेटली इट इज नॉट सो. बहुत बार HR या फिर कमिटी मेंबर्स खुद इसे इतनी बारीकी से नहीं समझ पाते. You know what we need to know here is that there is this thin line, a very blur line between the act and the intention. Complaints are shrugged off in terms of maybe it is not important. Now I really don't know what is the barometer to judge a low and a high complaint. The complaints many times are officially tagged as not serious or something which could be just handled by the heads of the department very conveniently, thinking that is something which is doable, controllable, and does not need any intervention of anyone from the committee or in HR or anyone else. Now that is a sad story. देखिए सीधी सिंपल सी बात है, अगर कृत्य या फिर एक्शन छोटा है जो सामाजिक तौर से या अपनी नजर से छोटा हमें लगता है, लेकिन वो किसी के लिए निंदनीय है, अनकंफर्टेबल है और वो एक पर्टिकुलर ड्राफ्टेड पॉलिसी के विरुद्ध है, तो उससे पॉश में आना है. ये बस इतना सा सिंपल है. लोगों को लगता है कि पॉश यानी ऑफिस की प्रेमाइसेस, बाहर तो हमारी लाइफ है, बाहर तो हम जो चाहें करें, और बाहर के अंदर जो पॉइंट्स आते हैं वो बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. अब आप बाहर तो हैं लेकिन शायद ऑफिस की कार में हैं, बाहर तो है लेकिन शायद होटल में है जिसका किराया ऑफिस दे रहा है क्योंकि वो एक ऑफिशियल टूर है. शायद आप बाहर हैं लेकिन आप ऑफिस की कोई ड्रॉप एंड पिक बस में हैं. तो बाहर के अपने मापदंड है. And POSH implies everywhere, every shift, and any place where you are on job. And why does POSH matter so much? Well, I'm not going to say that it is the respect of the organization at stake or the brand at stake, or even employees for that matter. It is the individual security of a lady who decided to carve a career under your roof, and you need to give security and you need to give a pleasant, healthy, secured environment, a very nice, jovial, friendly environment for her and for the rest of the members, whatever the gender may be, to bloom in well, to be hand in hand and deliver their best. So मैं आज ये नहीं कहूँगा कि पॉश की डेफिनेशन क्या होती है, कि कौन सी चीजें पॉश में आती है, नहीं आती है. Certain intricacies are definitely something which people don't realize. मैं organizations को कहूँगा कि प्लेटफॉर्म दे लोगों को अपनी बात रखने का. दूसरा, ठीक है, एक काम कीजिए, आप परसों आइएगा या इस वक्त हम बिजी हैं, जाने दीजिए, पहली बार हुआ है. अब उसके भी सामने घर वाले हैं, किसी के करियर पे, किसी के पेट पे लात मारना सही नहीं है. अगर ऐसी दलीलें कोई HR या कोई हेड ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट, कोई सीनियर या कोई कमिटी मेंबर देगा तो ये तो बहुत गलत है. And इसका ताज़ा उदाहरण is exactly the Nasik TCS case. What has happened recently? Ashwini, the committee member who was negligent to the complaint, has been denied bail. Just being there, listening to someone's story and passing on a judgment is not just what a committee needs to do. Seep in a culture of zero tolerance. Do not, in the name of modernization or the today's world, let things go by. Do not turn a deaf ear and a blind eye to those hand-holding affairs that you see around you in the office, and you keep quiet and keep mum about them just in the name of privacy. ये तो उनकी लाइफ है, हमें क्या लेना देना. काम तो लेकिन अच्छा कर रहे हैं ना, तो क्यों बोलना. You really are deep down throwing a culture where things are acceptable beyond professional relationships within. अब इसके प्लस एंड माइनसेस दोनों है, बट यकीन मानिए माइनसेस ज्यादा है। प्लस ये है कि मे बी दिस कपल इज अ रियल गुड कपल एंड लेटर ऑन it does translate into a very good grand marriage and the entire office is invited and it's a good happy story. But ज़्यादातर all stories are not that happy. ज़्यादातर होता ये है that these stories come up to the table of Posh many a times, which I call, at least whenever I've handled these kind of cases, affairs gone wrong. So when these affairs go wrong, they end up where many times? To your table. मैम आपको तो पता था, सबको पता था सर. So I feel all one needs to do and have a professional culture. Whether it is friendship, true blue love, husband-wife scenario, whatever it may be, whoever is working together, but on the professional ground, they better be professionals. Manipulating small tea breaks, manipulating those leaves, manipulating the in and out punch is exactly where things start to go wrong. And what does the message employees get? Well, doable. That is the beginning of the problem of the problems. So I would say zero tolerance. Well, stay tuned. And if at all any one of you would want me to help you with this subject, feel free to talk. I'll be talking to you more. खुश रहिए, अच्छे रहिए. Thank you for watching.